In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a floor in Planner 5D. First of all, head over to your Planner 5D project where you want to add a new floor. Before doing this, make sure that you already have your first floor created, because additional floors are always added on top of an existing one. As you can see, here I currently have only one floor in my project. Now, if you want to add another floor on top of this, simply move your mouse to the upper left-hand side of your screen and hover over the name of your current floor, such as first floor. As soon as you hover over it, you will see an option called New Floor. Click on this option and it will instantly create a new level above your existing floor. After creating the new floor, you will be given several customization options. You can choose the type of room for this new floor, such as a living room, kitchen, bedroom, office, or guest room. For now, you can simply select a basic room type if you want to keep things simple. Then, you can adjust settings like the room height, which is usually set to a standard value by default, as well as the floor thickness. You can also modify the flooring height if needed. Once the floor is created, you can click and drag to resize and extend the room layout according to your design. This allows you to shape the second floor however you like. After that, you can start adding elements such as windows, doors, and furniture, just like you would on the first floor. If you switch to 3D view, you will be able to clearly see your newly created floor stacked above the original one. If you want to add even more floors, you can repeat the exact same process by hovering over the floor name and selecting New Floor again. You can also rename each floor to keep your project organized and easy to navigate. Keep in mind that Planner 5D allows a maximum of 3 floors in a single project, so plan your design accordingly. Using this method, you can easily build multi-level structures and organize different parts of your house across floors, and this is how you can add a floor in Planner 5D.